Our next topic is multiplication of decimal numbers. So first one is we have to multiply decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000 and multiples of 10, just like 10,000, etc. For example, 3.935 into 10. Now in this question we are multiplying this decimal number by 10. So you are having here 1 0 only. When we are multiplying decimal number with 10, 100 or 1000, the first thing you should know, how many zeros are there. Simply you are having 10 means 1 0 here. So this decimal will make one jump to the right hand side. So this 3.935 will be 39.35. Clear? Same example, 3.935. Now I am multiplying this by 100. Now two zeros I am having here. So that means two steps to the right. So 1, 2. So it will be like 393.5. Then 4.32 into 10,000. Now in this case, how you can solve? So you are having here 4 zeros. So you are having here 4.32. So 4 jumps you have to make towards right side. So this 1, 2. Clear? Then 3 means you have to write 0. Then 4 means you have to write 0. So it will be like 43,200. Clear? And one more thing you can solve by like this, 4.32 into 10,000. Clear? Now this 4.32 can be written as 432 upon 100, two places after decimal. So if we want to remove decimal, simply we have to change this by taking values in denominator. So 4.32 after decimal, two places, means in denominator you will have 100 into 10,000. Now 1 0 1 0 get cancelled, then again 1 0 1 0. So 432 into 100 means 43,200, which is same. Clear? So this is the first one. Then second one is what? Multiplication of a whole number by a decimal number. Suppose you are having 0.35 and you want to multiply 0.35 by 28. So you can do like 35 into 28. You are having 0.35 here. So just remember that after decimal you are having two places. So multiply this two. Clear? So if you will multiply 35 and 28, you will get 980. Now you are having two places after decimal. That means from this end you have to start 1, 2. So 9.80 will be required answer. So this is the example of multiplication of whole number by a decimal. 0.35 is a decimal and 28 is whole number. Then next is multiplication of a decimal number with other decimal number. Suppose you are having 0.03 and you are multiplying this by 5.5. So 0.03 can be written as 3 only into 5.5 can be written as 55. Now remember, in this you are having two places after decimal and in this you are having one place after decimal. 2 plus 1, 3. That means after multiplying this 3 and 55, the value you will get, you have to place decimal there. Clear? So 3 into 55, you will get 165. Now 3 jumps you have to make. So 1, 2, 3. So it will be like 0.165. So like this you have to solve. This is not a new topic and you have studied this in class 4th, 5th, 6th. Clear? So next is about multiplication. Next is about division. if you are having a number and you are dividing that by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, it is very easy. As I show you that in multiplication, by 10, 100 or 10,000 means multiple of 10, we are moving to right hand side. But in division by 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000, we have to move left side. Suppose you are having 623.42 and you are dividing this by 10. So 623.42 divided by 10. 10 means what? Only one zero. So this decimal will move to left side. So it will be like 62.342. Clear? Then suppose you are having 435.8 and you are dividing this by 1000. So three zeros are there. So 435.8 divided by 1000. So 1, 2, 3 means 3 jumps you have to make. So 1, 2, 3. So 0.4358 will be required answer. Clear? Then next is divide by division by a whole number. Suppose you are having 16.850 and you are dividing this by 8. So by long division easily you can divide 16.850 by 8. So 8 2 ja 16, then cancel, next decimal, so you have to write here decimal, bring 8 down, 8, 8 1 ja 8. Clear? You know this method, you know this how to divide, it's very easy. So 8 1 ja 8, then next bring 5 down. As you know 5 is not divisible by 8, so you have to write 0, so it will be 0. Then bring 10 down, 50, 8 6 ja 48, you will get 2, then it will be 20, 8 2 ja 16, 4, it will be 40, 8 5 ja 40. So this is a terminating decimal and you got 2.10625. Now the last one and the most important one. If you are having two decimal values and you are dividing, how you can solve? Suppose you are having 5.625 divided by 1.25. So this can be written as 5.625 divided by 1.25. When you have to divide a decimal number by a decimal number. So for that, remember one thing. Remember one thing, that your denominator should be decimal free. Decimal free means what? You have to remove this decimal. Clear? So how you can remove this? Simply, now in this question you are having 1.25 in denominator. After decimal you are having two places, so simply you have to multiply by 100 upon 100. Clear? So now you are multiplying by 100, so this will be like 562.5 divided by, this will make two jumps, so it will be completely 125. Now divide 562.5 by 125. So you can take 562 as well. So 125, if you are taking 125 into 5, that will be 625, which is more. So 125 into 4 you can take. So 125 into 4, that is 500. Clear? From here you will get 62. Next is decimal. So decimal, bring 5 down, 625. 125 ja 625. So your answer is 4.5. Question number 1, 2 you can solve. That's very easy. And question number 3 is also very easy. I'm solving some questions from question number 3. Sixth one, 2.4 into 3.5 into 4.8. So you can write this as 24 into 35 into 48. Now remember, you are having one place after decimal, one place after decimal, one place after decimal. Total places 3. Clear? So now first multiply 24 and 35. If you are multiplying 24 and 35, so you will get 840. Clear? Then multiply by 48. So from there you will get 40,320. Now 3 decimal places you have to take. So from last you will start 1, 2, 3. So 40.320 will be your required answer. It's very easy exercise, you can solve. Then question number 4, divide. Question number 4, divide. First, second, third, you can solve 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. 7th one, 8th one I'm solving here. 7.644 divide by 1.4. So first write as 7.644 divide by 1.4. As I told you now that you should have a whole number in denominator, means you have to remove decimal from denominator. So in this question you are having 1.4, clear, and after decimal you are having only one place. So if you are having one place means what? You have to multiply by 10 by 10. So you will get here 76.44 divided by 14. Now as you can see, our denominator is decimal free. We are not having any decimal in denominator. So now divide 76.44 by 14. So 14 5 ja 70, you will get 6. Next is decimal, so decimal. Bring 4 down, 64. Then 14 4 ja 56. So from there you will get 8. Clear? Then bring 4 down. 14 6 ja 84. So 5.46 is your required answer. Then question number 4 you can solve. And question number 5. Question number 5, you have to divide by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So the question is 8.64. So first I am dividing by 10. So 8.64 divided by 10. We are dividing, so we have to move left side. So 1 0 is there, means one place only. So you will get 0.864. Then next we have to divide 8.64 by 100. Now after decimal you are having two places, and in denominator you are having two zeros. So this two places and this 2 0, total is 4. Clear? How? यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद दो प्लेस है, यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद दो प्लेस है और नीचे भी दो ज़ीरो है. तो दो प्लेस ये हो गए, दो ज़ीरो ये हो गए, 2 और 2 2 and 2 4. ठीक है, तो आपका आंसर जो आएगा डेसिमल के बाद 4 प्लेस आएगा. सो 1 2, so 0.0864. Any doubt? Okay, like this you have to solve. Then next is 8.64 divide by 1000. आफ्टर डेसिमल दो प्लेस है, यहाँ पे 3 0 है, तो ये दो प्लेस और ये 3 0, टोटल कितना हो गया 5. सो डेसिमल के बाद 5 प्लेस आएंगे. तो यहाँ पे देखो ये 1 2 3 4 5 जम करेगा तो 2 प्लेस ये हो गए, 3 ज़ीरो ये हो गए, 2 and 3 कितना हो गया 5। तो डेसिमल के बाद कितना प्लेस आएगा 5, तो 0.00864। सो ऐसे ही आपको सॉल्व करना है। एक और देख लेते हैं लास्ट, 8.64 डिवाइड बाय 10,000। डेसिमल के बाद कितने प्लेस हैं, 2 प्लेस हैं, नीचे कितने ज़ीरो हैं, 4 ज़ीरो है, तो ये 2 हो गए और ये 4 हो गए, ठीक है, 2 and 4 टोटल कितना हो गया 6। इसका मतलब ये है कि डेसिमल के बाद 6 प्लेस होंगे, पर यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ 3 ही नंबर हैं, और वो नंबर्स कौन से हैं 864, और यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद 6 प्लेस आ रहा है, तो पहले लगाओ 0 फिर 0 0 0, तो ये आपका आंसर आ गया। इजी वे है सॉल्व करने का, ठीक है।